Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting free rewards in ARK Survival Evolved is totally possible if you know where to look, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it legally. Step 1. Join the official ARK community program where you can claim monthly login bonuses and seasonal rewards just for playing the game. These are completely free and don't require spending anything. Step 2. Complete the daily challenge system that the game offers regularly. You'll earn special currency and cosmetics by finishing these objectives throughout the week. Step 3. Watch for limited time events that Wildcard runs throughout the year. These events offer exclusive skins, emotes, and in-game items that you can grab without paying a dime. Step 4. Follow the official ARK social media accounts because they frequently host giveaways and drop codes you can redeem for free cosmetics and battle pass points. Step 5. Participate in the community forums and Discord server where developers sometimes host special contests and reward loyal players with exclusive items. These are legitimate ways to stack up free rewards while enjoying the game.